Today's assignment: create this item.
Okay.
This should be easy. Why is it so much?
Man, it's easy. Use an item builder. Look. So you can create every item. I'll show you how to create an item builder. First, create the item builder class. Then create private instance variables to save the items tag and the item meta. Also create a constructor to create an item builder from an items tag, and initialize the variables. Create another two constructors, one with a material and an amount as input and the other only with a material as input to be able to create an item fast from a material. Now create a method for changing the type of the item. Also create a method to be able to change the amount of an item, but the amount is restricted from 0 to 127, so we have to check this, and update the second constructor with the amount. Create another method to give your item a custom name. To change the damage of an item, you need to check if the item can get damaged first with the if statement. Then change the damage of the item with the help of the damageable meta, and create a method to make the item unbreakable. Now we create a few lore methods. First, one to set the lore from a list. Then one to set the lore from a variable array parameter input of strings. Another method to add a list of lore items to the actual lore. And do the same with a variable string array input. And again a method which removes the items of a string list from the actual lore of the item. Finally, the last lore method which removes the whole lore from the item. Now we need two methods for item flags, one to add an item flag array to the item and one to remove an item flag array from the item. After this we create some enchanting methods. First, one to add only one enchant to the item. This boolean is for enable or disable that the enchant goes beyond max level. The next method is able to add an array of enchants and an array of levels to the item, one level for each enchant. But we have to check some stuff that no error occurs and we'll get always the right level. Now let's do the same again, only this time with standard enchant level 1. Then add a method to be able to remove a variable array of enchants from the item. Finally, create a method to remove all enchants at once. The next method set an item glowing or removes the glow, which means we add an enchant to the item for glowing or remove all enchants to remove the glow. Now we create a method which can change the color of a leather armor. For this we have to use the leather armor meta. Further, we add a method which changes the leather armor color with RGB code so the armor can dye it in every color. Finally, we create the last and most important method, the method which gives you the created items tag. And now let's try it out.
Good idea.
Okay, then make a knockback stick named Knocky with knockback 10.
Like this?
Yes, that's good. Is it working?
I think so.
Yeah, I can't see the pig anymore. That was good, so now I need a glowing water bucket named Pool, and this text should be in the description. If you set up this pool in your room, there is a possibility to attract Twitch streamers.
Nice.
So you see, it's easy to create items with this item builder. You can just string all methods together.
Can we test the bucket?
Of course, place it here. What the fuck, it really works. That was the item builder tutorial. You can get the code from the link in the description. If you find any errors or have ideas for methods I should add and so on, write a comment and let me know. I'll constantly update the code. Thanks for watching.